Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and I am loving this leather tote bag from TAKEASY. I absolutely love this tote bag. This was made in Italy, which is so stunning, 100% genuine pebbled leather. It is just so beautiful. I love these decorative bow ties on the front that tie up. This pebbled leather feels so smooth, it's so soft. It's extremely comfortable to throw over your shoulder or on the crook of your arm. It's really stable, but it can fit so much inside, which I really, really love. You can use it for every day or special occasions. This pocket inside is great. It fits fairly a good amount of things. I can fit my Kindle right in there just for reference. This is truly a bright white leather, which I absolutely love. So if you're looking for a little bit of luxury delivered right to your doorstep, I definitely recommend this tote bag from TAKEASY. It's gorgeous, it's so useful, and I'm absolutely loving it. And that's my point of view.